IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How do you feel when someone rushes you? Band 5. Answer.
When someone rushes me, I feel a bit stressed. I cannot think properly, and I usually make mistakes. I prefer to have more time so I can do things carefully.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple, short ideas, but limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary like stressed, time, mistakes. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences with limited range. Pronunciation. Generally understandable but may have unclear sounds. Typical of Band 5. Communicates meaning but lacks detail and variety. Band 7.5 Answer.
Honestly, when someone rushes me, I feel quite pressured, because I like having a moment to organize myself. If I'm forced to hurry, I often forget something important, or end up doing the task less carefully. I prefer a calm environment where I can work at my own pace.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Well-connected ideas with good flow. Lexical resource. Strong vocabulary like pressured, organize myself, calm environment. Grammar. Mix of complex and compound structures with good accuracy. Pronunciation. Clear and natural with only slight lapses. Typical of Band 7.5. More precise explanation and effective development. Band 9 Answer.
When someone rushes me, I feel a sudden spike of tension because it disrupts my ability to think clearly. I like to approach tasks methodically, so being pushed to hurry often results in unnecessary stress and a lower quality outcome. In general, I function best when I can set my own pace and maintain a sense of control over the situation.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Fully developed, smooth, sophisticated ideas. Lexical resource. High-level vocabulary such as methodically, disrupts, maintain a sense of control. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures with near-perfect accuracy. Pronunciation. Natural, nuanced, and easy to understand. Typical of Band 9. Precision, depth, and complete flexibility in language use. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.